In this video, we listed the 5 best gaming PCs that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Skytech Azure Gaming PC. The Skytech Gaming PC is built for gamers who demand power, speed, and reliability. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 750-700 processor with up to 4.6 GHz turbo boost, and paired with a GeForce RTX 5068 GB GDDR7 graphics card, this system delivers smooth, ultra-detailed gameplay across all the latest titles. With 32 GB DDR4 3200 MHz gaming memory and a lightning-fast 1 TB NVMe M.2 SSD, up to 30x faster than traditional HDDs, you'll experience quick load times and seamless multitasking. The system comes with Windows 11 Home 64-bit pre-installed, no bloatware, and multiple connectivity options including HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1. Designed with style and performance in mind, it features a Skytech Azure case with tempered glass, ARGB fans for maximum airflow, and HD audio support. This gaming PC is capable of running top titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Valorant, GTA 5, Counter-Strike 2, Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree, Black Myth Wukong, and more at ultra settings, 1080p Full HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. It also comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse, 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and free technical support, all assembled in the USA. Number 2. STGAubron Gaming PC Desktop Computer. The STGAubron Gaming PC Desktop is a versatile, high-performance system designed for gaming, streaming, video editing, business, and more. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor with speeds up to 3.9 GHz, 16 GB of memory, and a fast 512 GB SSD, it delivers reliable speed and responsiveness for multitasking and demanding applications. Equipped with an AMD Radeon RX 588 GB GDDR5 graphics card, this desktop runs popular titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, GTA 5, Valorant, Apex Legends, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Hogwarts Legacy, and many more at smooth 60+ FPS performance. Connectivity options include 2x USB 3.0, 4x USB 2.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, RJ45, USB Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring seamless connections for gaming and productivity. Housed in a stylish tower with RGB case lighting and 6 RGB fans, it also comes bundled with an RGB gaming mouse, keyboard, and mousepad for a complete setup. With Windows 11 Home pre-installed, plus a 1-year parts and labor warranty and lifetime complimentary tech support, this PC is ready to power through work, play, and everything in between. Number 3. iBUYPOWER Slate MESH Gaming PC. The iBUYPOWER Pro Gaming PC Slate MR281A delivers powerful performance for gaming, business, and everyday use. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G processor running at 3.9 GHz, 16 GB DDR4 memory, and a fast 500 GB NVMe SSD, this desktop ensures smooth multitasking, quick load times, and reliable speed. Paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12 GB dedicated graphics card, it's fully capable of handling modern games, VR, and demanding applications with ease. Connectivity options include 4 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, 3 display ports, RJ45 Ethernet, and HD audio jacks, giving you flexibility for all your devices. The system also comes Wi-Fi ready, pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, and free from unnecessary bloatware. Designed for gamers, it includes a free iBUYPOWER RGB gaming keyboard and mouse, and is backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty plus lifetime US-based technical support. Assembled in the USA, this gaming PC is built for performance, reliability, and style. Number 4. Panorama XL RTX 5090 Gaming Desktop PC. The Empowered PC Panorama XL is a high-performance pre-built gaming computer designed for elite gaming and content creation. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 9950X 3D processor with 16 cores and a base clock speed of 4.3 GHz, boosting up to 5.7 GHz. This system offers exceptional processing capabilities. It features a robust RTX 5090 graphics card with 32 GB of GDDR7 memory, ensuring fast and smooth graphics performance. The machine is equipped with a massive 4TB PC NVMe Gen 4 M.2 SSD for rapid boot up and data transfer, alongside a supplementary 12TB 7200 RPM HDD for ample storage space. With 192 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking becomes seamless, allowing users to run multiple applications and games simultaneously. The Panorama XL also includes 10 ARGB PWM fans for optimal airflow and a stunning design showcased through its tempered glass panels. This system is backed by lifetime technical support and a 3-year limited hardware warranty, making it an ideal choice for gamers and content creators seeking high performance and reliability. Number 5. BEASTCOM Q5 Pro Gaming PC. The BEASTCOM Q5 Pro Gaming PC is engineered for gamers and creators who demand uncompromising performance and style. Powered by the Ryzen 7 8700F processor with 8 cores and speeds up to 5 GHz, it delivers smooth 1440p gameplay, seamless streaming, and efficient multitasking for both work and play. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5068 GB GDDR6 graphics card with DLSS 3, 4K HDR, ray tracing, and NVIDIA Tensor technology, this system ensures ultra-detailed visuals and fluid frame rates across the latest titles. Backed by 32 GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, you'll experience fast load times, ample storage, and lag-free performance. The Q5 Pro doesn't just perform. It makes a statement with a full-view tempered glass case and 3 vibrant RGB fans, giving it a striking presence before you even power it on. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and free from bloatware, it's ready to go right out of the box. Designed for those who don't just play but compete, create, and push limits, the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro is more than a gaming PC. It's a performance beast built without compromise.